So warm welcome to all of you. This is a very focused panel discussion on the use of Gen AI for manufacturing industry specifically. For those who do not know me, and I expect a lot of you all to not know me, my name is Surajit Bose. I'm the co-founder and CEO of iFix Tech Global, along with my colleague Shubroto. We co-founded this company. And I would really like to thank Microsoft and Tech Data for the synergetic, thought process that they have had on this particular aspect of exploring Gen AI for in the manufacturing sector. We feel as a company who've been talking to prospects and clients across the board, we feel very little is actually being explored in this area. So we wanted to take this opportunity to actually deep dive into this area, whether be it in the area of logistics, customer service, IT, finance, etc. And iFix Tech Global has substantial experience in some of these areas. So we thought we'll take advantage of our in-house domain knowledge along with some of the experts on this panel today um, to explore what really is explicit and implicit opportunities in this sector. I would now like to extend a warm welcome to all the panelists and our beloved moderator. So I'll begin with the moderator first. Vinay, he's we've known him for some time, has been an absolute champion of the startup community, and iFix is no exception to that. He's well known as a thought leader in the information technology industry, has served as a corporate CIO for Larsen and Toubro. I think you cannot get better in terms of a manufacturing giant in this country and across the globe. He's currently helping Heartfulness Institute with its technology refresh, has demonstrated a rich history of working in the manufacturing and construction industry. Vinay is experienced in next generation technologies such as AI, ML, RPA, IoT, enterprise software, and has actually managed large scale technology infrastructure for various large corporations. I'll now move on to the list of panelists for this afternoon's discussion. Sukanta Padi, and if some of my pronunciation is not accurate, it's unintended, and later on you can call me directly, and I'll be happy to, have all those abuses hurled at me. Sukanta is a former CIO at Yokohama Off-Highway Tires. It's incidentally, I began my career with Bridgestone Tires, and it's interesting to have him on board today. He's also been an SCM leader at Cummins India. He's also worked in leadership roles at Marico, Asian Paints, etc. So he's got a gamut of experience across various industries, and it's great to have him on board. He specializes in manufacturing, operations management, supply chain, order management, etc. One of the great things about having him on board is again he's managed large scale IT projects in the field of ERP, namely SAP, SCM solutions, as well as strategic IT management. A warm welcome to you, Shukanto.
Thank you. Thank you, Surajit.
Uh, the next panelist is Atul Date. Atul brings 3 decades of global experience across Asia and Europe. Currently, he leads the industrialization program at Versuni, a spin-off of Philips and Preeti, focused on small domestic appliances, overseeing all global factories. And I think he'll bring his unique perspective of demographic challenges as well. Driven by a passion for continuous improvement, he's actively seeking new opportunities in this space, increasingly leveraging AI. And his previous experience includes roles at Unilever, which is again, very interesting because they happen to be one of our first customers in iFix. Warm welcome to you, Atul, as well. Uh, Next, I'll move on to Jaideep Chakraborty. He's a seasoned business and digital transformation leader at Tata Steel Industrial Consulting with over 30 years of global experience. He drives the value transformation monetization program at Tata Steel, leveraging Industry 4.0, 5.0 technologies. His excuse me. He's held leadership roles in industry initiatives across manufacturing, engineering, natural resources, and he's led strategic digital transformation across the board. So it's wonderful to have Joydeep on board as well. Joydeep, warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Uh, Last but definitely not the least, and typically I have seen whoever I introduce last kind of takes the limelight away. So warm welcome to you, Professor Shujjoke Paul. Of course, a lot of us know him as a professor of IIT Kharagpur. He's also the founder and chairperson of Center of Excellence in Advertising Management Technologies at IIT Kharagpur, which delivered many research initiatives currently in use of GRSE, RDCIS, and Tata Motors, etc. He's also a visiting professor at University of Huddersfield, UK, and University of Connecticut, and Lay University, USA. We would be hearing from him on how research-led Gen AI initiatives actually benefits the manufacturing industries and how the same can be leveraged. So, warm welcome to Professor Shurjo as well. And it's really a privilege to have all of you on board. And it's just not lip service, but something that we really mean from the bottom of the heart at iFix Tech Global. So, with that, I would hand over the forum to Vinay. Vinay, it's all yours. The floor is yours. Please take over. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thanks for the kind words for all of us. Hi, hello everybody. Let me first thank Subrata and Surajit for me having here with a beautiful set of people from industry and academia. And I'm really privileged and honored to be over here as a moderator. I don't know how much I'll be able to moderate what professor is going to say or my panelists highly accomplished panelists are going to do, but let me try my best how I can do it today. I'm sure there will be a lot to take away uh, by the audience over here. Uh, Surajit was telling me that I'm from manufacturing and project, but it is 20% of manufacturing and 80% of construction, that is project management. So I'll have a limited exposure for the core manufacturing, but nevertheless, probably Larsen Toubro is known as the manufacturing and construction, and that is for sure. Guys, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of buzz going on with this new kid on the block called generative AI, and everybody is trying to do something about it, trying to figure out how this technology can really give benefits to us. Every seminar or every tech show you go is, I think, incomplete without Gen AI, or Gen AI is occupying a lot of space in all the national and global seminars or tech conferences happening over here. And now recently I was hearing about agentic AI, which is very helpful in decision-making process. Based on my experience in L&T for so many years, technology really needs a lot of hard work in terms of manpower, domain expertise, money, and patience to get some results out of it. And I think Gen AI also is no exception. While we keep listening, hearing about how Gen AI is getting better in understanding the context, uh, developing or generating some sort of, narratives or summarizing what has happened on the storylining. We are also hearing on healthcare, content development, content generation for education, and and all applications. What we are hearing mostly in that domain. Sometimes when I chat with my friends, is it really overhyped? Is it something really going to do for me? Okay, only time will tell when you have some practical applications. For many of my co-CIOs, they say that lots of prototypes, but really where business gives a lot of value to this, very few products are there in the market or usage are there in the market. There's also fear of job losses. Governments are also thinking about it, and etc. etc.